Now, your weather authority forecast from meteorologist Hannah Gard.
Welcome back. It's been a cloudy day out there for most of us inland. We've been seeing some persistent rainfall along the coast as well, and we're starting to see some storms popping up. So we're getting some darker clouds out there over the skyline right now, and it's been feeling very humid still across the board today. Now here's those storms that we're starting to see pop up in the northern parts of the city and down in the river parishes and Jefferson Parish. We're also seeing this stronger storm just to the west of Lake Salvador there. Has a little bit of lightning in it, and we're going to see that be the case with many of these storms. And you can kind of see we had this little outflow boundary that came out, that little green line, and once it interacted with the lake breeze there, we started to see all of these storms popping up towards the metro. So that's going to be the case today. We'll see these boundaries interacting with each other and those spotty in nature storms. We're also getting some lightning here in mid-city towards City Park, where we're getting this stronger storm starting to form. So that's going to be one of the big issues with these storms today. We'll have frequent lightning, and we could see some gusty winds. So Bay St. Louis also seeing a pop-up storm there. It's kind of just been sitting over the area. We have a couple little pop-up storms across southern Mississippi, out to the east of Tallahassee there along the border. And we're seeing a little bit of rainfall now in Covington and to the northwest of Mandeville, just south of 12. And we're just going to see these spotty storms across the area. It's going to increase in coverage through the afternoon. Now down by the coast, we've been seeing persistent rain over Grand Isle and Port Fourchon, and we're going to continue to see some of that lingering light to moderate rainfall. But I think the storms are really done down to the south. Over to the southwest, we're still seeing some stormy activity, but now we're getting to the point where the water is a little bit cooler than inland, where we've been getting that daytime heating. So the storm activity is going to increase inland and taper off sort of offshore as we go throughout the rest of the day. But we do have a little cold front coming in along with a low pressure system, and you can see, look at that beautiful swirl over northwestern Louisiana. That's that low, and then you can make it out with those clouds there where that cold front is. It's coming out of that low pressure and tracking across the state right now. So that gives us a little bit of lift. We also have all of these boundary collisions along the sea breeze, now colliding with the lake breeze, and that's why we're starting to see some of those storms. So our main threats, once again, frequent lightning. We also can have downburst winds. We saw this a couple times this week with those pop-up storms. That's that rapid outflow of air. Those can be damaging, so watch for that as well. Small hail with some of those storms would be possible, and where we see the heavy rainfall, we could see some street flooding. So here's that cold front. That's going to come through and push off to the east over the next couple of days and bring slightly lower dew points, slightly. We're in the 70s right now. Those dew points behind that front in the 60s, which certainly this time of year will feel a little bit better tomorrow and Friday, but it's still going to be pretty humid. We're really going to notice the difference Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as we have another front coming through. But the rest of this evening, we'll have those pop-up storms continuing. Those will last until the late evening hours. Once we lose that daylight, we lose that heating, they'll start to taper off. Now this front kind of deteriorates over us, so we might still see a couple of pop-up storms tomorrow, but far less widespread in coverage. Friday, we're going to be so dried out that we really won't have a lot of moisture to work with. It's just going to be really sunny and very warm. And that's because this dry air slot that's up to the north is going to drop down. You can see in those oranges, that's the upper level low that's associated with that surface low that's spinning over the northwestern parts of the state. So we get the drier conditions dew point wise and the upper level dry air. We won't have as many rain chances. And then Saturday, here comes that surge in moisture as the front moves through, and then we're drier behind that. So our next rain chance after today, could see a few storms tomorrow, will be on Saturday. And look at those temperatures staying warm until that second cold front, Liz, moves through. We'll be down into the mid 80s. So feeling really nice for the second half of the weekend and the start of the week.
Okay, thank you, Hannah. New York